Welcome back. We got another Pro VM coming at you. Very, very excited for this collaboration we got here. This is the perfect bowling golf crossover. Because I know a lot of bowlers golf. I don't think a lot of golfers bowl, but we happen to find one that does. This is Melosi, Big Mo, content creator.
What is up?
Super stoked to have you on the channel. Tell us a little bit about yourself, what you do in the content space, and
yeah, Melosi Tongisala, aka Big Mo, from St. George, Utah. I joined Good just recently.
The hat, yeah.
Yep, big good guy. I've been bowling ever since I was a kid, and the fact that I'm here with Tang is like one of the biggest blessings ever. So I'm excited to be here.
Mind blowing to me. Like I've been watching Good videos for a while now, and I saw you, and then I saw a picture with you and Stephanie Zavala, and this is how it all came together. I'm like, I didn't know he bowled. So I just commented on your video. Yeah. You played 130 holes. I said 130 games. I don't think that's gonna happen because that's a little extensive for bowling. But we are gonna do a kind of golf-related challenge. So we're gonna give him a mulligan every frame. So if he doesn't throw a strike, he gets to try again. But if you take the mulligan and it ends up being worse,
then you gotta take.
Yeah, you gotta weigh your options here.
All right, no, that's valid.
Cool. All right,
I'm excited for this.
Yeah, we also do an endless 10th frame. Should we give him the mulligan for every endless 10th frame shot?
I'm down.
So if you're down in the match, if you strike in the last shot, the 12th shot, you can go spare strike or strike.
Okay.
You get extra shots.
Okay.
You have to throw a strike though.
So if I don't throw a strike, then it's over.
It's done. Good luck.
Good luck to you.
I don't know if I need to give you a ball if you win, because we already hooked the guy up. So.
Yeah, I don't need a ball. He already gave me a ball. I can't say which one it is, because it's coming soon.
Actually, it might be out by the time this video goes live.
Actually, it's a good ball.
I'm gonna go first. We just like to make things interesting on the back end.
Surprisingly, I'm not like super nervous right now. I've been watching Tang on YouTube.
You know people are watching, that's why.
A little while, so it's actually nice. I'll come back here. This is where he stands. I know how it works and he talks.
I might bowl, well, hybrid status say, a mix of one and two-handed.
I was going one-handed.
Oh, we might be okay today. We might be okay.
Okay. There we go.
Some lob, yeah.
I'm just use my new bowling ball here.
Dude, how did you end up joining Good?
Garrett Clark hit me up on Instagram. We've been following each other for about a year. I started doing Instagram October of 2022. And crazy, huh? He followed me maybe a year into it, hit me up in April saying, hey, I'm gonna be doing a content shoot in Houston. Do you wanna come? I'm like, yes.
No brainer.
Please, I love you. And I've been watching Good ever since I started. I've been watching GM Golf. After the first video went out with Garrett, the comment section was pretty nice.
You were well received.
Yeah, pretty well received. That's when Good kind of hit me up, said, hey, we'd love to have you on the team.
That's sick.
So I officially joined June 10th. I can't thank them enough, dude. It's the best. And so
does Garrett bowl?
He doesn't talk about it.
Is he trash?
I don't know. Me and Matt are the one that talk about bowling.
I remember you telling me that, yeah.
He's the one that you need to.
We gotta get him out of here.
We need to bowl with.
Is he? Are you better than him?
Probably.
Okay.
But then again, you never know. It's bowling. Anything could happen.
That is true. Anything can happen.
Off balance.
Oh, money bags.
Brooklyn.
All right.
Brooklyn.
All right, tell the people. we gotta preface, like, what do we work with here? What's your average? What kind of score are we anticipating here?
My goal always is 150. My average, I would say, is like 130 to 150, but I always make the goal.
150?
150.
Right.
First strike on the channel.
Yeah, that's nice.
Let's go. Oh!
They just don't like me here two-handed. They just don't like me. God.
It's the worst feeling when you can hear it miss. It's the same thing in golf. Whenever you miss-hit it, you know when you miss-hit the ball.
Well, you probably know. I can feel it. I can't hear it. I'm like, that didn't feel right, but I have no idea what I did different, and I see the ball going not where I want it to go.
Yeah.
All right. We're okay. I think if we stay clean, we got a good chance here.
All right, here we go.
Oh my God, he's coming in hot.
Oh, I nutted it. Mulligan.
We're taking the mully. I forgot. He did that one good too. I guess his next investment's gonna be a plastic ball. Mulligan number one. Yo! Now he needs the plastic ball.
It was better than.
There's the plastic ball, yeah.
Than the last one.
Yeah, I honestly think you could afford to move a little further left with your feet.
More left?
More left, yeah.
So go like on the 35?
They're hooking a ton.
20,
yeah,
25,
I would
30.
try that.
Okay, now here's my least favorite pin.
We gotta make that your favorite pin because it's probably gonna be the one that you leave the most.
Is that the 10 pin though?
It is the 10 pin.
Yeah, I hate the 10 pin.
Are you throwing it left-handed?
I throw it left-handed because I can't hit it. Dude, because it just hooks so much.
Oh my God, he's kind of nice left-handed too.
Oh!
I might have given that to him.
Did you see that? It almost bounced in.
I might have given that to him.
That would have been insane.
Help!
Oh.
Gosh, it's just not there. Uh-oh.
It's all right.
All right,
Hey,
you're right
good.
there, you're right there.
We're right there. We're in this together.
We're making this competitive. That is the hardest spare on tour, so.
That one?
That is.
Why? I feel like that one would be the easiest.
It's just like the most choppable. You can just miss it so many different ways.
Yeah, overdo it, not do it enough.
Yeah, you missed it a couple times, now it's in your head, and you're trying to fit the gap instead of that nice free swing. Oh, there we go. Go.
Oh, man.
The ball roll's pretty good. We've got some potential here.
See, that's the thing. That's all I wanted to hear from you.
We got potential.
Is that there's potential.
Yeah,
That's all I needed.
We got life. Oh, money bags.
Hey, I did it.
Yeah.
I didn't even take a mulligan there. I can't wait to get you on the channel in golf, dude. We're gonna be having that come out here soon, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, maybe
one.
I'll come your way. Then we can go visit the Storm HQ.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a Brooklyn.
Oh.
Not a strike, though.
Thought you were gonna get it.
Gosh. The two-handed game's not on point right now.
So what would you say
Struggling.
is your favorite spare pin then to hit?
The one that falls down.
Damn, that's insane. That's insane. Lefty.
Oh, that's too much.
Hooked. Oh, hey, if I had that earlier,
Dude.
you would have got it. That's
All right,
insane.
we're gonna break out all the tricks here.
Let's get this thing in the pocket, huh?
A little more roll. Hey, different pocket, but
What in the
Ooh,
world is this?
do we take the mulligan here? Or do we just go for?
I'm gonna take a mulligan here.
Are you going for the
I need
strike?
I need the strike.
I don't know, man. You're already up by one, even if you miss it.
I mean, I'm gonna do it. Yeah.
He's doing it.
It's like laying up on a short par 4,
Yeah, so
and I'm. That's actually insane.
I don't hit it that far.
He says, "Yeah, so."
I'm not a real golfer, so it's okay.
All right, here we go. This is why I took the mulligan.
Get more. Oh.
That's why you take the mulligan. That's why you take the mulligan. Come on.
He's so nice with it. All right, I'm putting my thumb in the ball. All right, you're gonna like this one. You're gonna like this one.
Oh my gosh, when did you start doing that? I remember seeing you like,
I've probably been doing it fairly proficiently for about 3 years.
okay, because
Yeah.
I remember when I saw someone doing it, I almost dropped that. I was like, what is he doing?
I learned it from Marshall Kent and EJ Tackett.
Oh, really?
And then I worked on it a little bit, and I'm actually better than both of them now.
At doing it?
Yeah, I bet EJ $5 at a Pro-Am. It was no tap.
Yeah.
He bowled like 190.
Oh, really?
I bowled 290.
Jeez.
I beat the best player in the world by 100.
You know who I like watching bowl is Lance.
Lance is the greatest.
It's like,
I wanted him here today so
like
bad.
I'm gonna try to do my best
I
Lance
feel like
impression.
your guys' energy is just unmatched.
All right, Lance, if you're watching this is my best impression of you bowling.
He's taking the mulligan.
Like,
I'm gonna sacrifice a frame just to.
yeah, I'll take my mulligan.
Just to
But, like, he
humor
always
Lance.
like bowls it, and then he like goes like this. Like,
He's got the slide step off.
and then he like steps off to the right. I love it.
Basically, he's calling you dog water.
No, I'm calling you an inspiration, Lance. Shout out to Lance, for real.
I'm getting the work. Oh my goodness. One more? All right.
Oh, I got lucky with that one. I'll go right-handed here. That's that same thing, holding it off.
A little righty action. Oh, it's kind of nice. Yeah, he's a gamer. He's
There
a
you go.
gamer. All right.
Shout out D10.
I'm gonna put you under the fire. You're gonna be on the burner right now.
All right, burn me.
Who's your favorite good guy?
That's hard because I've learned to love them all. Like,
But as we come to know, we're humans, right?
Yeah.
You like certain people better than others.
Who I get along with the best is Garrett.
Okay.
And he's someone I've looked up to for so many years. and
I like
stuff
the
that.
energy you guys got when you play
Yeah.
together. Yeah.
And when we're playing golf together, like, he's better than me, but he's a guy that I try to chase.
Okay.
Like, Brad, he's a pro golfer. I don't think I could chase him.
I like watching Brad.
And like, he's fun to watch.
Yeah.
Whenever I play with Brad, I try harder, but Garrett's the guy that I know I could touch.
Yeah.
That sounded sus. Yeah. Anyways.
Oh, we're all about that here. I touch Lance all the time.
Yeah. Who I love to hang out with. Matt Scharf and I, we have a lot of commonalities.
He seems like a funny ass dude.
Oh yeah, dude, he's funny. And like even off camera, like him and I, we get along really well.
Okay.
He's married, I'm married. Steve is just someone that like you're around him and you just happen to laugh the entire time.
He looks like it. Are a lot of the guys on camera pretty much the same off camera?
100%.
I like that, yeah.
Bubby is someone that like, if you want to do hard stuff with, he's the guy.
He seems like the down for whatever kind of guy.
Oh yeah. He's doing a marathon on the golf course.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That should be cool.
He's insane.
Is that gonna be a video?
Yeah, you'll
little
see
leak
it.
there, leakage?
Yeah, you'll see it on Good Extras.
Okay, I'm gonna throw a backup ball here. This is one of my not as good shots.
Wow. Wow.
That's just not fair.
I don't get it, man. I don't get it. Like, my wrist would have broke if I did
Give me a hit. If I do it two-handed, it doesn't feel so good. Maybe that'll be the next one, the two-handed backup. This ended up turning into a different styles kind of challenge too.
Literally.
Whoa! I had a little Lance there, a little. Lance is getting a lot of love this video.
He is.
I think he's my favorite
person to bowl
teammate.
with.
Yeah, he's my favorite teammate ever.
Really?
To just bowl with.
He just seems like he's just like always in a good energy, and he also just wants to beat you too at the same time.
He does, yeah. It's competitive in kind of a funny way.
Yeah.
But he's got good energy. He's just fun to be around.
Oh!
I can't believe this is their house shot. I feel like most house shots, that spot's okay.
I know. I thought I hit that.
And I've been pounding the piss out of that spot all day.
Then I'm gonna take a mulligan.
Mulligan, here we go. Oh, a little too much roll. Same count though.
Same count though. We're okay there.
Same count.
It's all right, I'll take that. And it's actually an easier spare.
Yeah, my number one tip is kind of a smart ass tip, but I guess for beginner bowlers is always hit the one in the front. It's hard.
Like,
it's hard when you don't hit the one in the front.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
I think it's good.
Wow!
He just horseshoed a putt.
Wait!
Just it was the whoop.
I just lipped out basically.
That's the exact same thing as lipping out.
Oh my gosh, Melosi.
Not enough wind.
Not enough wind.
Not enough wind. All right, here comes the backup ball. Sorry, we got a really close one now. Oh, that's not good.
Oh! D-Tang!
I didn't hit the one in the front either. That's not, the backup ball is just not my strong suit. That might miss too.
Dude! Dude! Whoa, wait a minute! Hold on! Hold on! You did the same thing I just did. That's tough.
I can't roll my R's.
That's tough. Oh man.
It's like a double banger lip out on the same hole.
Double banger lip out. Like the dad joke is like, it was all lip, no hole. Kind of like prom night, you know? That's tough. You can edit that out if you want. That's crazy.
Oh, help a little.
I thought if I threw it hard enough.
I don't think you're lipping this one out.
No. Oh my gosh, what am I doing?
No parallel. Oh yeah, you just take the mulligan.
Come on, I gotta take
Money.
my
Like he just got 7 to take the lead and he wants more.
I gotta take advantage of this. Here we go. Come on, Melosi. Lock in. Oh, that's worse. That was
you're
worse.
Good. You're on an open. You don't lose any count.
Oh my gosh, that was horrible.
It's like you hit the first one in the rough, like next to the green side. You're like, rough.
Yeah.
You're like, all right, I'm not hitting another shot, and then you hit in the sand.
Yeah, that's actually so perfect. What did you say? Hit the front pin?
I would say don't try as hard. Just try to keep your hand more forward.
Yeah. That was me keeping it more forward.
A little spinny, but ooh, might be okay.
It works.
It's all right. It's all right. You got a 3-pin lead. I don't even know what I want to do here. I got one here that might be.
Oh no.
This is one that I'm trying to get better at. Eldrin broke him down for me, right? Yeah, this should be nice. I can't see my target either. Hook!
Oh my gosh, I needed that.
All right, I'm throwing the next one one-handed.
Good.
We're gonna try to get the spare here. 13-year-old Darren came out on that one. Oh no. This is just a disaster. I'm gonna bowl a lower score than the first video earlier.
Oh, Melosi.
Wheel! So the crazy thing about bowling, you basically had the same result in the last 2 shots by doing 2 completely different things.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. You know what's funny? In high school, when I would go bowling, like on dates, I would tell the girl I'm bowling with, I'm like, hey, however many strikes I have, however many minutes you gotta give me a kiss after this date.
The Rizzler.
The Rizzler.
Unlimited.
And now, the last girl I did it with is my wife. Shout out, babe. Good save, huh? That was a good one.
Oh, wheel!
Oh!
She hanging out there.
Thought she was gonna hook.
All right, let's make this a little more entertaining. Let's see if I get lined up here. I'm gonna try to showcase why I do this for a living. A what? Huh.
Like if you strike, then I take a mulligan?
Yeah, on this one.
I do.
Yeah, reverse mulligan.
Reverse mulligan.
Reverse mulligan. Basically, I have to throw a double here. All right, you still got a 4-pin lead. That's pretty good. And we're taking the mulligan.
We are taking the mulligan.
Here's the mulligan.
I was videoing that first.
Watch, I'm gonna split here now.
Okay, all right. Reverse mulligan. Let's see if it works in my favor. This is the Jesse mulligan. Come on.
Oh, that's not perfect.
Oh, I thought you were gonna get away with. Oh, God, just kidding.
I see. I like. You know, this is why I was really excited to.
You see when Kevin Hart did that to someone?
Yeah. Oh, that CP3 show.
Yeah. He's like, oh, I went down. Play the clip.
And then he was like, ah, no. Yeah, he was fun to watch.
Just like that.
All right, that's the conventional way of.
That's the conventional way
of getting it done. Dude, yeah, CP3 like big dick me. I was trying to get a shout or just get him on the vlog, you know, because I bowled the event one time.
Yeah.
And,
the celebrity one.
Yeah, at the end of it, I was like, hey man, CP3, can you say something on the vlog? Everyone was wrapping up, getting done, so he started saying something, and people just came up to him saying bye, what's up, or he just disappeared.
No
I'm like,
way.
wow, that kind of sucked. Because he just left me hanging
Did he
on
even
camera.
say anything?
Not really, no. So I was like, yeah,
that's tough.
Don't really want to come back now.
All right, come on, Melosi.
You're better than him.
That's a compliment. Here we go.
Ceiling's definitely higher. That's got Brooklyn life.
Brooklyn!
All right, game on. Here we go. Endless 10th frame, endless mulligans. We're getting this thing done. You got your 1J mulligan. It worked out.
Yep, I got lucky there.
You're not getting another one. Oh, I threw the same shot. Oh! I still got endless 10 frame. Dude, I can't believe, is this really the house shot?
He didn't even recognize you.
He just
CP3'd
He was locked in now, he's locked in.
He just CP3'd.
I just got CP3'd.
Dude, like, it's so flush.
I got 140, but I'm about to increase my score to 200. These feel kind of hard. I think re-oiling was a bad play.
Oh.
So I didn't bowl a higher score than the last video, but it's all good.
What'd you do the last video, like 155?
I think I had 155. I've got 300 for 2 games. You just need a spare and 5, and you win by 1.
Well, we're gonna do strike.
To win by 25.
Little turkey leg.
I like turkey leg. Oh, that's pretty nice. He's ice, man. He's ice.
In the pocket, too.
So watch, big boat content come to you. You're gonna see bowling. Good bowling?
Good bowling?
Good bowling?
Yo, I'm a fan of that. Come on, Melosi. 7 more and you hit your goal.
You beat my ass. Just gotta go. Hey, you reached your goal. You got
my goal, 150.
You got 160. Oh, that's gotta cut.
Tried.
It didn't cut. Melosi beat me. He's 1-0. You're a bowling champion so far.
What can I say? Quitting my career in golf.
Oh my God.
Full-blown PBA, here I come.
I appreciate you coming on the channel, man.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Make sure you guys go subscribe to him on YouTube. He's at about 40K right now. We got 210 of us for now, but he's gonna run by us in no time. So
I don't know about that.
golf's worldwide. Bowling is a little bit behind, so I got faith.
We're gonna get bowling on the map, dude.
I like how you said we.
I'm here for it because I love bowling, and so.
Right on, cool.
Run it up.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next time. We'll see him next time.
Yes, we will. Peace.